everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious meatball recipe. These are Italian style meatballs and these are frozen. I have taken out 12 of these meatballs, quarter cup sweet peas, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon onion, ginger, garlic, 1 teaspoon each, olive oil for tadka. These meatballs have all the ingredients. They are ready to eat, but I'm going to give a twist in Indian style. So I'll add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, quarter teaspoon each, half teaspoon parsley flake. This will be optional. If you like hot, then please add a half teaspoon red crushed pepper. Let's start making our delicious creamy meatball recipe. Get a fry pan and start gas and bring olive oil. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Add ginger, garlic. Mix it. Cook them until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onions. Mix it well and keep it moving. And we're going to saute them until they get translucent. Onions are nicely brown. Add all the spices except parsley flake. So I'm going to hold on to the parsley flake. Mix it well and cook the spices along with tadka for half a minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for half a minute. Add peas and meatball. Mix it well. Bring your gas on medium. Add small amount of water, like couple tablespoons, and mix it well. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes. I'll open the lid. Mix it well. After mixing it, now we'll add cream. Mix it. After mixing it well, on medium heat, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking on a medium heat for 5 minutes. I'll open it. Mix it well. Creamy, delicious meatballs are ready, and the last ingredient we're going to add parsley flake. Mix it well. And I'm going to turn off the gas. And we're going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and we'll dish out. Delicious, creamy meatball. Let me share with you. Quick and easy and very tasty and delicious creamy meatball recipe is all ready, and please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.